To get rid of termites, place termite bait stations around the perimeter of your home. Termites will transport the poison bait back to their nest, where it will wipe out the colony. You can also dig a trench around the perimeter of your home, spray liquid termite poison into it, and fill the trench back in. That way, there's an impenetrable wall around your home's foundation that termites can't get through. For a natural solution, use boric acid or diatomaceous earth. Use a manual duster to spray the boric acid or diatomaceous earth into termite-infested wood, cracks, crevices, and holes inside and outside of your home. When termites come into contact with the fine powder, they'll die. Always make sure to keep children away from the termite bait, poison, or repellent, and wear protective gear when implementing these solutions. To prevent termites from coming back, remove any piles of wood around your home so they don't have a food source. Termites also need water, so make sure there aren't any standing pools of water around your home. Finally, cover vents that lead into your home with screens so termites can't get inside.